Okay, so let me put a question there first of all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all?
Great.
Yeah, okay, good. So, okay, let's take this question first of all. In a group of 68 students, each student in the is registered for at least one of three classes: history, math, and English. 25 students are registered for history, 25 students are registered for math, and 34 are registered for English. If only three students are registered for all of three classes, how many students are registered for exactly two classes? Okay. So when you make this, because we had the three variables here, right? And those variables are, you can say the subjects are history, math, and English, right? So we have the three. The one is the history, another is the math, and then we have the English, three subjects. Okay. Guys, continue reading the these type of question, right? कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि एक बार में समझ नहीं आता तो उसको दो या तीन बार पढ़ लो ताकि अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. Okay. So out of the 68, so total students are 68. Okay. In history, how many students are enrolled there? 25. 25 also registered for math, and 34 are registered for English. Correct? Is there any doubt till here? Okay, so if you make the three circle there for the Venn diagram, so this one, this one, this one. Okay, so I'm just denoting the history with H, math with M, English with E. Okay, so what is given to us there? We have given that there are three students who registered for all. So that means this portion is for those three students, correct? You know that? So this is the most basic portion. We can say this is, okay, there are three students there in that portion. So this is three, right? Now, what is the question asking? The question is asking how many students are registered for exactly two classes, okay? That means if I just, I'm using the another color pen. So the question is asking of actually this portion, this one, this one, this one, all the blue one, right? The question is asking like how many students are registered for exactly two classes. So they can be Hindi, history with math, or math with the English, and history with English. Okay. So we need to find.
Is it 10?
I'll tell. Actually, I'm just doing this for everyone. So if you're done, just keep it. Okay. So you can say this. Suppose I'm taking the three variable there, A, B, and C. Okay. So now, for the history, how many are there? 25. 25. So how many are there? Those choose only history. Only history. I mean, this part. Okay. If I use I'm asking how many are there? They choose this part. Right. So what will be that? 25
Minus 3.
minus B minus 3. Correct? Same with the English. This will be what? 34 minus B minus 3 minus C. Right? How many are there? They choose only math. So that is 25 minus A minus 3 minus C. Correct, guys? Any doubt? Is there any doubt? Now, if you see the every part in this Venn diagram is independent. They are not linked. Suppose I write down like this one. So this is independently says 25 minus A minus B minus B minus 3. This independently also is 25 minus 3 minus C, correct? This is A, this is 3. If I add all these parts, that should be equal to what? 68, right? So if I take 25 minus A minus B minus 3 plus 25 minus A minus 3 minus C plus 34 minus B minus 3 minus C plus A plus B plus C plus 3, and that is equal to 68. Okay, guys, so now this is going to be 25 plus 25 plus 34 minus A, that will be minus 2A, same minus 2B, same minus 2C, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, that is minus 9, and plus A plus B plus C as well is equal to 68. Correct, guys? Any doubt till here? Now, can you add it quickly? 25, 25 is what? 50. 50 and 34 is what? 84. So 84 minus 9, and this is going to be A plus B plus C is equal to 68. 84 minus 9 is what? 75 plus A plus B plus C is equal to 68. Sorry, this should be minus A plus B plus C. Yeah, so now A plus B plus C is what? 75 minus 68, and that is going to be what? 75 minus 68 is what? 7, correct? So A plus B plus C is equal to 7. And what are those, the number of students who enrolled for the exactly 2 classes? So those are A plus B plus C, and this 3 included. Okay, so 3 is also included there. So that means 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So there are 10 students. Those are enrolled for exactly 2 classes. Any doubt, guys? Anyone have any doubt?
No, no.
Okay. Okay, cool. Please check this quickly. I'm just giving you 30-40 seconds more. Okay, this is not a like IIT Madras question. Yeah. No, it's not. Yeah, this is very similar to the previous qualifier question actually, but I can't use those questions because of the copyright issues. So this is something else. But yeah, those are very similar to the. Okay, let me paste the next question. Okay, are you able to read the question? Are you guys able to read the question there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you all try this quickly? Anyone done this, guys? I think this is very, very similar to the last question. Okay, let me help you guys. So first of all, again, we have the three sets there. What we have given. So there are 59 members in the high school is required to sign up for the minimum of one or maximum of three academics club. And the three clubs are chosen of the poetry and history and the writing club. A total of 22 students sign up for the poetry, 27 students for the history, and 28 for the writing club. So you write down quickly all of those. So poetry, those sign up 22. Those sign up for the history are 27, and those sign up for the writing are 28. And actually, the 6 students are there. Those sign up for exactly 2 clubs. So how many students sign up for all three clubs, right? So again, you make the 3 sets there, 3 circles there.
Sir, answer is 6.
Yes, I think answer is 6. Good. So here I'm just writing down the poetry and history and writing. So at this time, actually, what we need to find, you need to find how many students sign up for all three these. Okay. So I can say, suppose this is X. This is X. And I'm taking this part as A, this part as B, this part as C. Right? So now those only take the poetry. How many are those? 22 minus what? A minus C minus X. Those only take the history are 27 minus B minus C minus X. Those who take only writing are 28 minus A minus B and minus X. And again, if you add all these parts, every single part there, right, that should be equal to what? 59, correct? There's one more thing given to us. What is that? That the 6 students sign up for exactly 2 clubs, right? Okay, now, so we know there A plus B plus C is equal to 6. Okay, now quickly add all of these parts. So A plus B plus C plus X plus 22 minus A minus C minus X plus 27 minus B minus C minus X plus 28 minus A minus B minus X, and if that is equal to what? 59. Okay, so now you can see A, B, C, you can just cancel out this one, B, this one, C, this one, X is also cancelled out with 1x. So 22 plus 27 plus 28, right, minus A minus B minus C minus 2x is equal to 59. This is going to be 77 minus 2x minus, you can say, A plus B plus C and that is equal to 59. So again, a plus b plus c is 6. So you can say 77 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 59. And then you solve it. So you will get 71 minus 59 is equal to 2x. That implies 2x is equal to 12 and then x is equal to 6. Understood this, guys? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt, guys, in this question? You can write down in your notebook as well. I mean, you can check this once. Okay, guys, let's move to the next question. This is little tricky or you can say time consuming as well. Try to solve this. You can't solve this using any formula or such thing. You just need to make all the the circles there, the Venn diagram there, and then you need to solve it. Read this question quickly, guys. Think over this. How can you solve it? And then I'll let you know. Okay. Should I tell you guys or anyone is fine? Okay, let's do this question. So each of 435 bag contains at least one of the following items: resins and almonds, nuts. The number of bag that contains only the resin is 30 is 10 times the number of bag that contains only peanuts. Okay. the number of bag that contains only almonds is the 20 times the number of bag that contain only raisin and the peanuts. Okay. The number of bag that contains only peanuts is 1/5 of the number of bag that contains only almonds. 210 bag contain on almonds. How many contain one? Only one of them. Guys, can you mute yourself? Sometimes. Okay. So each of 435 bags of wait a minute, let me check. His mic is open. Okay. So 435 bag contains at least one of the following: the raisins and the almonds and the peanuts. Okay. So just make the 3 diagram there, 3 circle there, sorry. And so I'm writing down it's R, it's A, it's P. Okay. The number of bag that contains only raisin, that means this part, is 10 times the number of bag that contains only peanut. That means this part. Okay. So suppose this part is X. So what will be this part? 10X. If this part is X, so definitely this part will be what? 10X. Right, guys? Okay. And what is the next? The number of bag that contains only almonds is 20 times the number of bag that contains only raisin and peanut. So only raisin and peanut, you can just assume, suppose this is Y. So that means this part is going to be what? 20 times Y. Right? Because this is 20 times of this part. Anything else we have given? The number of bag that contains only peanut is 1/5 of the number of bag that contains only almonds. The number of, what is it saying? The number of bag that contains only peanut, that means this one, this X, is equal to 1/5 those contain only almonds, that is 20 bag. So you find the relation between X and Y here, that is X is equal to 4Y. Guys, please mute your, please. Right, so we find the relation between X and Y, so X is equal to 4Y there. Okay. And okay, then you can assume few more variable, like this is A, this is B, and this is suppose C. Correct? And 210 bag contains almonds. Okay, so now those are the total contain almonds, not only almonds. So what we know there, A plus B plus C, right? And plus 20Y, and that is equal to what? 210, right? This part, this part, this part plus this part is equal to 210. Now you can write down all the parts. That is 435 is equal to 20Y plus A plus B plus C plus this is going to be what? 10X plus Y plus X. Right? Now you can convert the X into the Y because you know the X is equal to 4Y. So if X is equal to 4Y, so this is going to be 40Y. And this is going to be 4Y. Right, guys? So this is 435 is going to be what? If you add all the Y there, so 20Y plus 40Y plus Y plus 4Y. So what will be that, guys? Also 20Y plus A plus B plus C is equal to 210. That we have already found out. So that will become plus 45Y. Now this is going to be 225 is equal to 45Y. So Y is going to be 5 from there. So if Y is equal to 5, then what you can find out? X is equal to what? 20, correct? If Y is equal to 5, then what you can find out? X is equal to 20. So then you can write down every part there. So this is 20. This is going to be what? 100. This is going to be what? 20 times 10, that is 200. Right? So what is it saying? How many bags contain only one kind of item? That means what we need to find? We need to find only raisins plus only almonds plus only what? Peanuts, right? So that is going to be 200 plus 100 plus 20. I took this part, and this part. So that is going to be 200 plus 100 plus 20. That is going to be 320. And that's the answer. Right, guys? Is there any doubt? Should I explain it one more time? Guys, okay. You need to rejoin again using the same link. It's going to be, yeah. Please let me know if anybody want me to explain it one more time, because I know this is really little tricky. No one want? Okay, then let's move to the next type of question that we are going to do today. Okay, so this is all like I just done the 3 questions of the using the 3 sets of the Venn diagram. Okay. Next is because I like 2 days I was checking like what type of question are there in the qualifier exam and all. So these type of questions are very yeah, they are frequently asking these type of questions. Those I'm just writing down there. So these are, you can say, the laws there. Okay, so the first very important law is like x union x is equal to x. Sometimes they ask like, okay, which of the following is true, or which of the following is, the correct. So they give the like 4 answer choices, A, B, C, D, something like from the data, something like this. And then you need to find out which one is true for always. Okay. So x union x. So if you do the x union x, that is going to be x always. X intersection x, that is going to be x always. Second is this we also call the commutative laws. Okay, so this is if x union y, so that will be as same as y union x. Same if x intersection y, that will be as same as y intersection x. Third one is associative law. You can just check as well. You can take some, example for the set of x and y, and then check if this is true as well. So like if I'm making this true, so how can I do that? Suppose x I gave 1, 3, 5, 7, and y I gave 2, 3, 4, 9. So if I make x union y, so x union y will be what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. And if I make the y union x, that will be also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So that's why union y is same as y union x. Okay, then associative laws, these are also very important. As I told, sometimes they can put that directly as the answer choice. I mean, as the question, they'll ask, okay, which one is true? So if you remember these, believe me, you can directly, find out if this is true or not. So X union Y union Z is equal to X union Y union Z. X intersection Y intersection Z, that means X intersection Y intersection Z. Okay, next one. Is distributive laws. So distributive laws property is what? If X union Y intersection Z, that will be as same as X union Y intersection X union Z. If there is a X intersection Y union Z, that is going to be X intersection Y union X intersection Z. Then we have the identity laws. Or you can say the properties. Yeah, so these are very straightforward. If X union phi, so definitely that is X. If X intersection phi, so definitely that will be phi. If X union universal, so that will be universal only. If X intersection universal, that is going to be X. Okay, now next is, and these are very important. These are complement laws. So X union with X complement, that is union, I mean the universal. X intersection X complement, that is equal to 5. And the next complement and the complement of that is going to be X. And then X intersection universal is going to be X. Sorry, no, this is not. This is X subtract Y is going to be X intersection Y complement.
Digvijay, I have one query. For the last one, x minus y, is it x intersection y complement or x intersection y given brackets complement?
Subtracting. Yeah, this is x intersection y complement.
Can we work out one sum on that, please?
Yes, sure. Okay, so suppose you have x is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Right? And then y I'm taking 2, 3, 5, 9. Or you can take any other 1, 7, 9. So can you tell me what will be x minus y? All the elements, you can just cancel out the y there. So it will be what? 1,
So 3, 5,
5.
3,
So
5, 10.
1, 3, 5,
It's
and
not 1, 3, 5, 10.
yeah. And yeah, so if you find the y complement,
Y complement is 3, 5, and 10.
but y complement, the thing is we need to find the universal also.
There should be a universal set.
Pardon, what you're saying? For the
If there is any universal set, it will be easy to understand.
yeah, there should be an universal as well. Okay. 1, 7. I think this can be done using the Venn diagram easily. So if I make the x minus y, suppose you have the x, you have the y, right? So what is x minus y? This part? Right, guys? And then if I make the another one, x, what is this? Okay, I make this as x and y. So what is y complement there? Anything other than the y, right? So this is the thing. Right? And when you
Including x.
yeah, including x, the only x, right? And when when you do the intersection of this part and the x part, so definitely this will be the remaining part, with the intersection, and that is as same as this and this, isn't?
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. So here also, if you just use the suppose any of the point, yeah, f1, 7, whatever, and if you use the x intersection that point, so that will also give you the same thing, like 3, 5, and 10 elements, right? And those will be the same. Hope understood?
Yes, Digvijay. Thank you.
Okay, there's two very important tool as well. We also call that De Morgan laws. The first one is x union y, and the complement of that is x complement intersection y complement. And then B is X intersection Y. Complement of that is X complement union Y. I think these two are very, very important. These two, I think, can be asked directly. Do you want me to explain this one as well? Using the Venn diagram?
No need.
Okay, so as I told you, these two are very, very important. So please keep these in your mind and just write it down these and just paste it on front of your study, room. So you, every time you can just check, okay, what are these properties and all. Check it again, guys, and then I'll just close the class now today. From the next class, we'll start the relation. And if you have any doubt with the set, you can also ask me. I think there are some, the online last year papers as well. The few of the students have, rolled out those papers. So you can check from those papers and see if you are able to solve those type of questions. Don't solve the questions using the relation, just for the set theory only, right? And if there is any ask, you can, if there is any problem, you can ask. Right, guys? Is there any doubt?
Brother, after September 1st, classes will be done. My teachers, right?
Pardon, what are you saying?
What?
What are you saying? क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
I'm saying that after September 5, the teachers will take classes, right, for qualifying test.
हाँ, वो तो रोल आउट होएगा ना, लाइक IITM जो उनका जो ऑफिशियल है ना, वो लोग जो YouTube पे
हाँ.
क्लासेस हैं वो रोल आउट करते हैं, है ना? वो तो वहां से करेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग.
Then why you are saying here?
Then what?
Is it for practice?
Pardon, what are you saying?
You're saying here for practice or what?
नहीं, देर आर सम, या जो लास्ट ईयर्स के पेपर वगैरह हैं वो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने रोल आउट किए हैं. आई विल ऑल्सो पुट दैट ऑन द ग्रुप. ये मैथ वाले ग्रुप में मैं पुट कर दूंगा, तो वहां से आप देख सकते हो. लास्ट ईयर के जो क्वालिफाई पेपर्स हैं मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, and you can do the practice from those questions, and you can check if you are able to solve the set theory questions. Nahi ho rahe hain, then you can ask me. Okay, and then next class we'll start. In the next class,
Is this recording will be available in YouTube, brother?
yes, it will be. It will be. I'll put this recording on the YouTube. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay then. Bye bye, guys. Take care.
Thank you, Digvijay.
You're welcome. Bye bye.